I'm looking around for Bear today and I'm just wondering what he's going to be doing today. Oh, and here is Danny, the window cleaner. I wonder if Danny has seen Bear. Morning, Danny. Have you seen Bear today?
I have, yeah. He's just in my back pocket helping me clean the windows today.
Oh,
Can you see him?
Oh, what a brilliant. Bear, you are such a helpful chap. Well, we'll let you get on and clean the windows.
Lovely, thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. Ooh. So today, Bear is very kindly helping Danny to clean the windows. There he goes up the ladder. What a helpful Bear he is. Thank you, Bear and Danny, for cleaning my windows. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.